Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 21st of September. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Leo, overall energy for this week from 15 till the 21st of September. With the Oshos and Tarot, let's see what we have. So we have the participation. So the overall energy is kind of just give me a second. Telling me that you need to participate in a situation with full force, meaning give your best foot forward in a collaboration, partnership, teamwork, team effort, volunteering, whatever it is that you are working with other energies. You have to give your full attention. You have to do this task with all of your heart and soul, and even if nobody is watching, the universe is watching. Hmm? Even if you will not be able to get the instant results of this participation from your side, you will definitely be noticed by somebody who is going to maybe help you to grow further in your future. For most of you, it is related to your work or job or career area. Work, job, career, same thing. Or for others of you, it could be something that you might be doing just for fun, but it can lead to something really meaningful in the coming future. Whatever it is, whatever you are doing in a collaboration or partnership, give it your 100% from your side, even if nobody is watching, even if nobody is evaluating. You know, right? Because you know you are watching and your higher self knows. So from your side, give your best. Don't think about what other people are doing or why they are not participating fully or they are not involved that much. So don't think about other people. Just give your best. So the overall energy is telling me either you are going to already do that, like you are going to give your best from your side, even if nobody is watching, even if nobody is giving their best from their side, and or you must. Okay, you should, not must. Let's see the messages from today till 21st, Leo. 15th, we have the thunderbolt. See, something is falling apart, some kind of illusion, belief system, some kind of situation, something that that was not very stable kind of energy, something that was like there, but it was an illusion or delusion that you were living in, and now it's falling apart and the reality is hitting you. It's like seven chakra opening up, so might be your chakras are very imbalanced right now, and your energies are so imbalanced that you're going to feel like you need to do something about your chakras, about your situation, about your life, because something here that you were relying on maybe is not there anymore. It's falling apart. Maybe a belief system, a connection, a job, a career opportunity, a situation, whatever it is, it's going to shake your energies up on a deeper level, and you have to work on this now. From It's like a clean slate that you have to work with from zero. 16th, we have the creativity. The more you are going to stay true with your emotions, your feminine side, the more it's going to be easier for you to live your life to the fullest. You don't have to pretend to be okay if you are not, first thing. Second thing, the more you are going to use your creativity, your artistic side, your beautiful feminine side in your work, in your personal and professional life, the more you are going to get good results, and the more you are going to be happy and positive. So staying in touch with your emotions is basically watching your emotions. It's not like you have to, like, this is a rocket science, like how to stay in touch with my emotions now, this is difficult. You just have to be aware of the most prominent emotion that you feel in a particular day, throughout the day, how you feel about yourself, about life. And then be more and more aware of that emotion. Okay, either it's going to dissolve properly if it's a negative one, if it's a positive one, it's going to amplify. That's how we watch our emotions. 17th, we have the awareness. Now again, some kind of wheel of illusion is like burning here. Your inner Buddha is coming out. You have the capacity and capability these days to see through the illusions, see through the wheels of not negativity, lies. So it's like truth is coming out, the inner truth is coming out. You will be able to start seeing people, situations, and things for what they are and who they are, instead of living behind the behind the wheel, and instead of pretending that you know everything. So truth is coming out. Something is coming out in this week, Leo, that might shake your energies a little bit, but at the same time, it's going to make you much more wiser and much more connected to yourself. Okay. 18th, we have the morality. I somehow don't like this card. See, somebody around you will try to keep you trapped in some kind of moral values, old belief system, old conditioning, because they themselves are not able to move forward in their life. So somebody will try to keep you trapped in their box so that you are not going to grow. And they are going to give you this lecture of morality or moral values. You should not be doing this, it's against the society, you should not be living your life independently, this and that. So you have to stand up for yourself, you have to take a you have to stand your own ground here, Leo. If you are one of those people who are still stuck in some kind of moral values that are stinking, that's not making you feel happy or free anymore, it's time for you to change them. Okay, you don't have to sulk and cry and rot in these kind of energies. You have to definitely change these things. Okay, we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19th, we have the playfulness. See, it's like see, you don't have to worry about what other people are going to think about you, how other people are going to perceive you. You just have to live your life to the fullest. Spread your craziness, spread your playfulness, spread your happiness. Shine bright wherever you are going to go. Don't worry about other people. People are never going to let you live. They always are going to have something negative to say, even if you are saint. Even in fact, saintly people, good people suffer a lot. They have to prove themselves all the time. Give me a second. So the more you are going to be happier, the more our people are going to feel jealous and envious of you. So don't worry about what other people are going to think about you, and how your life is going to look like if you are going to be crazy and all by yourself. Just do your own thing, stay in your playful energies, and keep moving forward. Okay, don't give a damn about anybody else like me. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 20th, we have the sharing. See, you might be having some kind of talent, resources, money, volunteering, whatever you can give from your side in order to make somebody else's life beautiful and positive, even if it is just for one day, 1 minute, 1 second. Do that. Sharing from your side is going to give you immense satisfaction and peace. Now, this sharing should not be with this intention that I'm going to get something good in return. I'm adding good karma in my diary this day, and I'm definitely going to get something good in return. So, if you are doing something or sharing something because you want something good in return, you want to add good karma in your diary, don't do that. It's a transaction, then you are doing business with the universe, then you are not literally really sharing it. Do it with your heart and soul, do it with the intention of sharing it and asking for nothing in return. So whatever we send to the universe, whatever we share from our side, wisdom, knowledge, happiness, sadness, depression, anxiety, whatever, it comes to us in, much more intensely. It's the law. Whatever we are going to send to the universe, it's bound to come back to us. But if we are going to continuously have this intention, okay, let me do a good deed today so that I can have good karma and a good life, then you are doing a business, you are not doing the good deed then. So do it without that intentions, without transactions. Now on the 21st, compromise. See, if you feel by compromising, by finding a middle ground in a situation, you can save a situation and it's worth saving, then you can definitely try for the compromise thing and finding a middle ground in a situation and go for it. But if something or someone is taking your dignity, they are not worth it, they don't deserve this compromising and this middle ground kind of a situation, then you should just let this situation go. Now, for some of you, it can be a business deal. It's very, very important for you guys to figure out the middle ground in the situation. But again, if you have to, sell your soul to keep something in your life, it's not worth it. Now it's up to you, Leo, whatever area of your life, whatever situation of your life is asking for compromise. If you are going to sell your soul for some kind of situation, you are going to feel guilty. You are not going to feel happy about it, kind of ever. So try not to go against your dignity and against your soul to keep something going that's not worth it at the end of the day. And you know it very, very well. It's just a gentle reminder for you guys, Leo. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week. We have the consciousness. You have to expand your consciousness, and by expanding your consciousness, I mean you have to be more alert and aware of the feelings, of the energies, of the situations that's going on internally and in the outside world for you personally. And then you can be more aware about the people, situations, and things that you are connected to. By expanding your consciousness, by expanding your awareness, you will be able to see through people's intentions, and you will be able to understand what you should do and what you should not do in a particular direction. So remain conscious, remain aware and alert of your energies, of your feelings, of your emotions, and people and situations around you. Try to see them for what they are and who they are, instead of trying to make them look something totally different. That will help you and save you a lot of time, effort, and energy in the long run. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.